So as a pediatric PT, it's really fun to get things for work, but it's even more fun to get things for your own home and your own little ones. So we have Baby Ford coming any day now, and I've been restocking. It's been like 4 years since I've had a baby in the house, so we've been restocking with some of my favorite toys. And I was super excited to get a new NogginStik in the mail this week. And as both a parent and a pediatric PT, I absolutely love this toy. So I'm going to open it real quick for us and kind of show you all the reasons why the NogginStik is so awesome. They really make it, you have to really work for it to get it out of the box. All right. So the NogginStik is great. Normally I stay away from like battery and light toys, but a few things are really nice about it, especially in those early months. It has the high contrast because babies are seeing mostly black and white at that point. It has a mirror. It combines a rattle. And as you shake it, you can see the colors light up, which is really, really fun for them. One of the reasons I like it is it can grow with them. So in those just like first 2 months, you can just use it as a tracking toy. Visual tracking is a really important skill to develop early on. And then as they get older, you can switch from tracking the light or the black and white to tracking the little mirror, and they can start to recognize themselves. I love that it incorporates different textures. So if you look, there's little bumps and these lines are raised. So you get the sensory piece, you get the visual piece from the light up part, and you get the hearing piece from the rattle. And as they start grasping and getting older, they'll have fun shaking it and making the colors change. So one thing that's really important to me also is not over cluttering our nursery with toys and getting toys that have multiple purposes and can last a long time. So a NogginStik is a must-have for your baby's little toy collection.